Hello, my name is John Fairest, and this particular social media page is one of the pages that we have that we'd like to show you a little bit about the journey, the digital journey that's undertaken between social media and then through to the website, followed by what people are actually interested in. Well, we all know that people come onto social media pages, as we can see here. 3,000 people have liked this, with 3,643 people following, which is always encouraging. And it links in through many of the images and many of the posts directly onto this particular page, which is the website itself, cgss.org. From cgss.org, one of the most interesting factors is we can actually monitor what's coming through on the page. So we can look at the quotes, we can look at recruitment sites, we can look at some of the key pages that may be relevant, and then we can actually monitor that through something called Google Analytics. Of which the source code and all the information we have is here. In fact, this particular code is the one that we have for this particular page. Now, how this works is if you were looking behind the scenes in the analytics page, you would see this sort of information, the number of people who are using it in real time. You get an overview and you can get a lot of information. You see 21 people are using it. We can see the most active pages in use on this particular site of the page that we're looking at. This isn't, as I said a minute ago, CGSS's page. This is a publicly accessible one, but it does provide us with a lot of information directly connected to the keywords, top traffic sources, all sort of information your business may well need at this precise moment. And that's exactly the reason why we're encouraging you to look at going from putting on the website here to putting in that particular code behind it. Now, you may well be looking at this particular thing, the Facebook page, your Twitter account or something like that, and thinking, well, I'd like to see some extra traffic. If you're using something called a hashtag, which is here, and then you put the word next to it, in actual fact it turns into blue on Facebook, and it also does that on Twitter. So it attracts anybody who decides to, say for example, type in the word trading into any given area, and it takes people directly into that because it will show you what's actually trending. And you get lots and lots and lots and lots of posts connected to that. This is my particular page that I've searched through, but you'll find your own page will do the same thing. And the word trending appears on the screen here. But most importantly, the word training can also tell you on something called Hashtagify the popular words connected to the word training that interconnect. And again, this may be very important for your business or your project. Whatever you're doing, you may wish to connect with that word. You may wish to know what's the best interconnection from your perspective. I hope this video is of interest, and I hope just going through it that you might have picked something up, a page or information that you weren't aware of before. For further information, let us know, and through the video, etc. Thanks very much indeed. Cheers.